Without wasting time, let me show you the 10 best Chrome extensions for productivity. Google Chrome has over 137,345 extensions, but only a few are extremely powerful. These top Chrome extensions that I will show you in this video will make you more productive. So sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end. Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. In this channel, we discuss everything related to AI and online tools that can help you with your daily workflow. If you are new to my channel, kindly support me by hitting the subscribe button. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so you can receive new videos when make them. Now let's jump into the video. The first Chrome extension I want to show you is Scribe. Supercharge your documentation game with Scribe. Tired of spending hours on docs? With Scribe, you can effortlessly transform any process into a step-by-step guide. This AI tool creates user-friendly guides, tutorials, SOPs, and walkthroughs in just minutes.
With ScribeHow.com, you can create documentation in minutes, not hours. Does your blood pressure spike every time you see your desktop full of screenshots? It could look pristine if you use Scribe to create documentation for you, which even includes the screenshots. Watch this. With Scribe, you just follow 3 simple steps. Step 1, click the Chrome extension to get started. Step 2, go through the process you want to explain. Step 3, click the extension again to get your guide. It's that easy. Get Scribe now and keep your desktop looking immaculate.
The second Google Chrome extension I'm showing you is Compose AI. Compose AI streamlines your writing tasks by generating content, brainstorming ideas, and speeding up the writing process. The next is the Grammarly. This tool enhances your writing skills by instantly checking grammar, spelling, and style across emails, documents, and social media, ensuring clear and professional communication.
Wait! Did you download Grammarly? Grammarly helps you clean up your messy, confusing sentences to get your point across clearly. Thank you, future Brent. No problem, Brent.
Let's look at the next one, and that is MaxAI. MaxAI summarizes PDFs and more in seconds. Notion AI everywhere, which works with Google Docs, Word, and more. Number 5 is Careerflow AI, your AI career co-pilot. Streamline your job search with Careerflow, optimize your LinkedIn profile, create AI-generated cover letters, autofill applications, track them in a dashboard, and more. All this can be done in just one place. Next on our list is Mailsuite. This is an email tracker for Gmail, which allows you to know when your emails are opened. GoFullPage is the next Google Chrome extension I'll show you in this video. This is the top browser extension for capturing full-page screenshots of any website. LastPass is the next tool. This tool securely stores your passwords and automatically fills them in on websites, making it easy to create strong passwords. This takes us to the 9th extension, which is Adblock Plus. This tool blocks annoying ads, allowing websites to load faster and making your browsing experience more enjoyable. The last tool I'm showing you is Perplexity AI. This is your AI companion. If you are tired of juggling multiple browser tabs to find clear answers or summaries, Perplexity combines ChatGPT and Google to give you instant, concise responses while you browse. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, kindly support me by hitting the subscribe button, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so you can receive new videos when I make them.